Okay.
Go right in there and check it out.
You gonna cut something?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. What's the spray? Sticky stuff?
It's because of the cooler weather, it helps the belt spread better.
Belt grip?
Yeah, we ran it earlier, we had a heck of a time getting them to go.
Oh man. Look, Crystal, the big old saw blade don't have a belt on it. It's probably a good thing. I'm gonna go in. All kinds of goodies in here. The heck is that?
Just give me an idea.
Yes. Okay.
Still cut.
That'd be quite a demonstration, huh?
No.
Get a good video. Thanks, Jeff.
I had a video from the backside the other day.
This is on the built on the island. We have the lever over.
Just want to let you know we have 3 more sites between, site 34.
A lathe. That is cool. A grinder. A drill press.
A few more coming in if everyone can move this way.
Okay, I'll move that way.
Don't have to go too far. You've got the sword.
Okay.
Hold on.
Okay, they got the tour coming. The other side's open too, isn't it? Is that motor gonna run? Is that what he's doing? Gonna start the motor?
Yes.
Okay. Oh, here comes the tour.
We're going to turn you over now to the expert task. Hey folks, how are you?